In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to track a lost Windows 10 laptop even if it is turned off. So if you're watching my video for today, I'm very sorry about the fact that you may have misplaced or lost your laptop. But since you've come here, I'll do my best to help you to try and trace your laptop. So the first thing is what you could actually do is just get hold of a laptop or a PC from a cyber cafe or your friend or whatever it is. And once you do that, I want you to go ahead and do a search for Find My Device on the search box out here. Okay, so Find My Device. Okay, so you click on that option. So you click on that option and you get to the settings for Find My Device. So the PC that you're using should have this option on it if it is a Windows 10 PC, but if you do not have that, not a problem. The reason why I wanted you to get to this screen for any PC is that you are going to get the correct URL for the tracking website. So you could get onto account.microsoft.com/devices to track your lost laptop, even if it is switched off, not a problem. So once you click on this option, you're going to be directed to this page on which you have to sign into your Microsoft account. So you could put in the email address or the phone number that was associated with the email address that was on the laptop that you have misplaced. After you do that, you enter your password, click on next. And once you do that, you get access to all your devices that is connected with your account or connected with your IP address. So you have an option to find your device online on Maps. So you click on this option, and once this device is online, you are going to see the exact location for your laptop. So you could actually get there and recover your laptop or catch the thief. Or you could actually find out the last location by doing this. There are a lot of programs like AdverTrack or Adona or Absolute Software that could help you locate a lost or stolen laptop. But what I would suggest is this method is totally free of cost. You utilize this method first. If you are not able to find your laptop still, you go ahead, file a missing complaint to the local police station, get a report of it so that you actually are on the safer side. If by chance your laptop or your PC is misused, you're not caught up uselessly for it. So apart from using Find My Device to track your laptop, you could also use Bluetooth tracking tags to track a laptop if it is nearby. So you may have a tracking tag for your laptop. If you have one, you could use it to actually track your laptop. These tags actually beep an alarm when your laptop is going away from it. Apart from that, you could also get to the service center for your laptop brand and try and see if they have a software or if they can do a BIOS level tracking, if that is actually possible. I'm not too sure, but they may just have this software tracking procedure. And these days, laptop theft has become very much common. So it's very important for us to ensure that at least our data is encrypted. So you could use something like BitLocker to ensure that your data on your laptop is secure. So if you use BitLocker, your entire data on your laptop, basically the hard drive, is going to get encrypted. So if you have this set up, you get an encryption key. So at least your data is safe if your laptop is misplaced. So anybody else who may just find your laptop, they cannot just access your data. It's going to be locked forever. If you got some value from my video, give it a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.